Okay, so let's go to Google ngram viewer. This will allow us to see the evolution of different words in the English language. Let's try Black Panthers. And maybe we want to also look at the evolution of hip-hop music. See how these two, notice that everything's happening here after 1960. So let's change our window, and I think it goes up to 2010 or something like that. So here we can see a couple. We see this surge of Black Panthers here, and then it kind of calmed down with a little coming back up. Let's also do Malcolm X. See how these three. So notice here, Malcolm X and the Black Panthers are rising at the same time, with Malcolm X kind of leading the way there just a little bit, and there's certainly a connection there between them. And then notice here, as hip-hop is gaining steam, you also have Malcolm X coming back into, and a slight rise in the Black Panthers, but really Malcolm X gets even more popular. This may be when the movie was released, maybe somewhere around some of the LA riots, but there's certainly stories going on here behind these trends. Why were these peaks here? What's the connection between these two? Why is there a valley here, and then this resurgence, and then the resurgence here? Is that connected to the hip-hop increase here? These are all interesting questions, and to dig in deeper, we might take out some of these terms and choose some other terms. The point here is trying to figure out what terms are the most interesting to search for, which ones start to get at the story that's going on underneath.